Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're re-diving deep into a topic I get asked about all the time: incorporating vitamin C serum into your makeup routine for that flawless, lit from within glow. It's a total game changer, but there are a few tips and tricks to make sure you're getting the most out of it, and that your makeup sits perfectly on top. So, if you've ever wondered how to make this powerhouse ingredient work with your foundation, you're in the right place. Let's get glowing. First things first, what exactly does vitamin C do for our skin? Think of it as your skin's personal bodyguard and cheerleader all in one. It's a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays, things we encounter every single day. This protection helps prevent premature aging, but that's not all. It's also a superstar at brightening your complexion, fading dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and giving you a more even skin tone. Plus, it plays a crucial role in collagen production, which is what keeps our skin looking firm, plump, and youthful. So, by adding it to your morning routine, you're not just prepping for makeup, you're investing in your skin's long-term health. It's like a daily dose of radiance and protection. Now, let's talk about the most important step: application. The key is to apply your vitamin C serum to clean, dry skin. So, after your morning cleanse, gently pat your face dry. Don't rub, we want to be gentle with our skin. Take a few drops of the serum. Usually, a pea-sized amount is plenty for your face and neck. A little goes a long way. Warm it up between your fingertips for a second, and then gently press it into your skin. Pressing, rather than rubbing, helps with absorption and avoids unnecessary pulling on your skin. Make sure you cover your entire face. But be careful around the delicate eye area, unless the product is specifically formulated for it. Give it a moment to fully absorb. This is a non-negotiable step. We need to let that serum sink in and work its magic before we even think about layering anything else on top. This brings me to the golden rule of using vitamin C under makeup. Patience is everything. You absolutely must wait for the serum to dry completely before moving on to the next step. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes, but it can vary depending on the formula. Why is this so important? If the serum is still tacky or wet when you apply your moisturizer, sunscreen, or primer, it can cause pilling. You know, those annoying little balls of product that roll up on your skin? That's what we want to avoid. Pilling not only looks unflattering, but also means your products aren't absorbing or sitting properly. So, use this waiting time to brush your teeth, choose your outfit, or make a quick cup of coffee. Just give your skin that minute or two to drink up all that goodness. Trust me, this simple step makes all the difference in how your makeup will look and last throughout the day. Once your serum is fully absorbed and your skin feels smooth and dry to the touch, it's time for moisturizer. Yes, you still need a moisturizer. A vitamin C serum provides active treatment, but a moisturizer is what locks in hydration and creates a smooth canvas. It acts as a barrier, sealing in the serum and preventing moisture loss. Choose a moisturizer that works for your skin type. If you have oily skin, a lightweight gel-based formula is great. If you have dry skin, you might opt for a richer cream. Apply it just as you did the serum, with gentle pressing or upward sweeping motions. Think of this as the step that plumps and preps the surface of your skin, getting it ready for the primer and foundation that will follow. The combination of a well-absorbed serum and a good moisturizer is the secret to a dewy, non-greasy base. Next up is another non-negotiable, especially when you're using vitamin C, sunscreen. This is a match made in skincare heaven. Vitamin C boosts your sunscreen's effectiveness by neutralizing the free radicals that UV rays can generate. So, together, they provide a powerful defense against sun damage. You should be wearing sunscreen every single day, rain or shine. But it's particularly crucial when using vitamin C because the serum can make your skin slightly more sensitive to the sun. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher as the very last step of your skincare routine right before you start your makeup. Again, let it set for a minute or two. This ensures all your skincare layers are settled and won't interfere with your makeup application. This skincare sandwich, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen is the ultimate foundation for a beautiful makeup look. Now, for the makeup part, let's talk primer. Do you still need a primer after all this prep? It depends on your skin and the look you're going for. If you have oily skin or large pores, or if you need your makeup to last for a very long time, a primer can be a fantastic addition. It will create an even smoother barrier between your skincare and your makeup, helping to control oil and blur imperfections. However, if your skin is on the dry or normal side, you might find that your well-prepped and moisturized skin is already the perfect canvas. Sometimes, the combination of serum and moisturizer provides enough of a smooth base that you can skip primer altogether. I often do. My advice is to experiment. Try your routine with and without a primer to see what works best for you and your foundation. When it's time for foundation, you'll notice a huge difference. Because you've prepped your skin so well, you'll likely need less product. Your skin is already glowing from within, so you're not trying to create radiance. You're just enhancing it. Whether you use a liquid, cream, or powder foundation, it should glide on effortlessly. The hydrated, smooth surface prevents the makeup from clinging to dry patches or settling into fine lines. You'll find that your foundation blends more seamlessly, giving you a natural, skin-like finish. This is the real magic of using vitamin C in your routine. It's not just about the long-term benefits. It's about improving how your makeup looks right here, right now. It helps you achieve that your skin, but better effect that we all crave. Let's quickly touch on different formulations. Vitamin C serums come in various forms, and some might play nicer with makeup than others. The most common form is L-ascorbic acid, which is highly effective but can be a bit unstable and sometimes feel slightly tacky if the formulation is unelegant. If you find your serum is causing issues, look for derivatives like sodium ascorbyl phosphate, magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, or tetrahexyl ascorbate. These are often more stable, gentler on the skin, and can have a more cosmetically elegant, silky texture that is perfect for wearing under makeup. You don't have to break the bank to find a good one. Many affordable brands have fantastic formulas. The key is finding the texture and type that your skin and your fit. To wrap it all up, let's do a quick recap of the perfect routine. Step 1. Cleanse your face thoroughly. Step 2. Apply a few drops of your vitamin C serum to dry skin and wait for it to fully absorb. No cheating. Step 3. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to hydrate and lock in the serum. Step 4. Never ever skip the sunscreen. Apply it generously. Step 5. Decide if you need a primer, and then proceed with your foundation and the rest of your makeup. By following these steps, you're not just applying makeup. You're creating a radiant, healthy canvas that glows from the inside out. Your skin will thank you in the long run, and your makeup will look better than ever. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and talking all things vitamin C. I hope you found these tips helpful for perfecting your own glowing makeup routine. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any of my future videos. I'd love to hear about your experiences with vitamin C serums in the comments below. What are your favorite tips for using them under makeup? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.